Imagine a world where your energy bills are cut in half whilst you have more livable space. At Nanoplume, we have created bio-aerogel, the world's lightest and thinnest super insulating material. Our bio-aerogel can be used for thermal insulation throughout sectors, such as the cold chain, automotive, and the built environment. In the building sector, Nanoplume's bio-aerogel is 3 times more insulating than traditional materials. That means you can save up to 50% of your energy bill for heating and cooling, and it is only a third of the thickness. It can reduce your walls from 10 centimeters to only 3, allowing for additional living space. Builders can even maximize land usage and fit an extra house on a 40-home block. Our aerogel is 100% biodegradable, non-toxic, free from VOCs and petrochemicals, so you can minimize your carbon footprint and reduce landfill waste in this increasingly regulated built environment. Our material further increases living comfort. It is made for sustainable natural bio and geopolymers, protecting you from mold, fire, and even sound. Together with our manufacturing partners, we can produce our biomaterial at scale across the globe, and we can incorporate a wide range of feedstock, even from local waste sources. With Nanoplume's bioaerogel, we are reinventing insulation, delivering solutions that save energy, space, and shape a sustainable tomorrow.